Early morning sunlight filters through the green canopy of trees, painting the quiet park in soft, golden hues. Surrounded by fresh grass still damp with dew, birds sing softly, their melodies a gentle welcome to the new day. Along a forest trail, a veteran walks slowly. His worn boots press into the dew-covered ground, each step a quiet rhythm against the earth. The memories of his service linger in his eyes, a distant yet ever-present part of him. As he walks, he notices the silence feels heavier than usual, deeper than the typical morning calm. A gentle wind moves through the tall trees, their leaves rustling in a soft whisper. Near a small river, a bench stands invitingly, but something else catches his attention. Something unusual. Lying motionless near a cluster of bush is the figure of a man. The veteran's instincts, honed by years of service, awaken in an instant. Without a second thought, he rushes closer. The man's breathing is frighteningly shallow, his skin pale, his lips dry and chapped. The leaves on the bush tremble in the breeze, indifferent to the unfolding drama. The veteran kneels on the cool grass and immediately checks for a pulse. His military training kicks in, a wave of calm precision washing over any initial fear. He calls out loudly, but there's no response. The forest suddenly feels tense, holding its breath. He carefully clears the man's airway, the sun reflecting off the green leaves above them. He removes his own jacket, folding it to place gently under the man's head. Then, he begins emergency breathing support. His hands, though shaking slightly, remain steady and sure. Time seems to freeze. The only sound is the distant gurgle of the river and his own focused breaths. He whispers words of encouragement. "Stay with me. Stay with me." Memories of saving comrades on dusty foreign lands flood his mind. Suddenly, the man coughs. A faint, raspy breath returns. A sliver of hope rises like the morning light breaking through the trees. The veteran looks around, signaling for help to the few passers-by who have started to notice. Someone pulls out a phone and calls for emergency services. The forest, once peaceful, now echoes with a sense of urgency. In the distance, the faint sound of sirens grows steadily louder. The man's eyes flutter open, filled with a mixture of confusion and fear. The veteran takes his hand, offering a reassuring presence as green branches sway gently above them. An ambulance arrives at the park entrance, and paramedics rush across the grass with their equipment. The veteran calmly explains what happened, what he's done. The medics nod, their faces showing respect and understanding. An oxygen mask is placed over the man's face. The steady beep of a heart monitor fills the air, a rhythmic promise of life stabilizing. Relief washes over the veteran. He quietly steps back, watching from the shade of a large oak tree as the paramedics work. They carefully load the man onto a stretcher, their hurried footsteps crunching on fallen leaves. As they move towards the ambulance, the saved man turns his head, his eyes locking with the veteran's, filled with a profound, unspoken gratitude. The ambulance doors close, and the sirens, now loud and clear, fade back into the distance, carrying with them a life that was almost lost. The park returns to its morning calm. The birds resume their singing, their songs now seeming a little brighter. The veteran sits down on the bench by the river. A few tears mix with a quiet, relieved smile. He looks up at the sky, watching the clouds drift above the green fields, and remembers why kindness matters. One small act, one decision to step in, changed everything. He stands up slowly and walks deeper into the park. The sunlight warms the path ahead, and wildflowers bloom along the trail. Nature feels alive again, vibrant and full of promise. The veteran breathes in deeply, the tension finally leaving his body. His heart feels lighter. Kindness, he knows, echoes far beyond words. Later, doctors would confirm it. The man had been just minutes from death. It was the veteran's quick thinking, his unwavering kindness, that made the difference. News of the rescue spreads quietly through the community, with locals praising an unknown hero. The veteran, however, avoids any attention. To him, it wasn't heroism, it was duty. A human duty. The tall trees stand like silent witnesses to the event. The grass bends in the gentle wind, and the park itself feels like it holds the memory of that moment, a sacred space where compassion triumphed. Kindness, it seems, is contagious. One life saved can inspire so many others to act, to care, to notice. As you watch this, maybe you feel a sense of hope, a restoration of faith in humanity. The veteran disappears back into the quiet flow of everyday life, his act of courage remaining forever etched into the fabric of that morning. The green scenery holds the story. Silence can speak volumes, and true courage often acts quietly. Love appears when you least expect it, and kindness needs no uniform. Humanity shines brightest in these small, unscripted moments. A single choice saved a life, and in doing so, made the world feel a little softer, a little warmer. It's a reminder that veterans carry a hidden strength long after their service ends, and that help can come from the most unexpected strangers. Green symbolizes rebirth, and in that park, hope bloomed again. Humanity won a silent victory. No cameras were there to capture it. There was just courage, just heart, just kindness, a life saved, a soul remembered, a moment that mattered, an unseen hero. Nature watched quietly as kindness completed its circle. If this story touched your heart, please give this video a like. Share it to spread this message. And subscribe to our channel to join us on our quest to find and celebrate kindness everywhere. Thank you for watching.